Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapit online class. Dear learners, welcome to my class. Dear learners, look at the picture. Do you know what is the picture about? Dear learners, I have introduced myself. I am Shahidul Islam, assistant teacher, Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapit, Khalishpur, Khulna. This is class 7, subject English for today. Dear learners, look at the picture and guess what are they doing. Dear learners, if you want to buy something, what do you need first? You will have to need first taka. That means money. Do you give the price whatever the shopkeeper demand? Obviously not. I do bargaining because I know they ask more than the actual price. If you don't want bargaining, where will you go? I will go to a fixed price shop. Dear learners, so our today's lesson is fixed price shop, unit 4, lesson 4. Dear learners, that is learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, the students will be able to read and understand text with proper sound, stress and intonation. Infer meaning from the context, talk about fixed price shop, choose the best answer from the alternative, ask and answer questions. Dear learners, let us try to know some keywords and its meaning. The learners, look at the picture. Stationery. Its meaning, the things needed for writing such as paper, pens, pencil and envelopes. That is called stationery. Bargain, haggle, negotiate, etc. Haggle, bargain or negotiate. Offer, grant, payment, pay off, etc. Agree on, allow. Dear learners, let's try read the text. Dear learners, Shanada is talking to the students about a new kind of shop. Here it is. You can buy any stationery items like pens, pencils, notebooks, colored paper, in fact, everything you need for writing and drawing here. You can also buy some food items like biscuits, buns, bananas, bottles of mineral water and some other necessary things. You can also buy your school uniform and other clothes. There are a number shopkeeper over the prices of anything. Look at the picture carefully. If you want to buy a shirt or a dress in a shop in the market, you ask some, how much is this? The shopkeeper says 300 taka. But in many cases, this price is more than the real price. So you offer 200 taka or even less. The shopkeeper says, no, I can't sell it for 200 taka. Then you offer 25 taka and he says, still say no, it will be a loss for me. What is bargain or haggle, teacher? Hriday says, this process of asking for and offering more and less money is called bargaining or haggling. It goes on until you both, buyer and seller, agree on a price, say 250 taka. In this case, the price is acceptable to both of you. If there is no bargaining, how are we going to buy things? You don't need to bargain. It will be a fixed price shop. Dear learners, let us try to know the answer of this question. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. You can buy any stationery item like pen dash. Here item means object, piece, component, type. Answer as a type. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of like? Here alternative, dislike, hate, choose, avoid. Choose. Number 3, in fact, dash, in fact, everything you need for writing and drawing here. What does need mean? Number 1, demand, want, desire, wish. Number is a desire. You can also buy some food item dash. The meaning of the word buy is number 1, purchase. Number 5, which one of the following words has a similar meaning of necessary? Essential. Number 6, also you don't have to bargain or haggle. Dash, what does bargain mean? Purchase, haggle. Correct answer is haggle. Number 7, the new shop will be a dash number fixed price shop. Number 8, fixed price shop is better because dash, because you can take anything free. There is no scope of bargaining. C number C. Number 9, who is Mrs. Shana Huda talking to? She is talking to her students. Number 10, the new kind of shop will be good because dash, the student don't have to bargain. They are learners. Here is a homework for you. Please write the questions. Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? Number 1. Number 2, What do you usually buy? Number 3, do you bargain? Why do you do that? Number 4, do you know about a fixed price shop? Where is it? What does it mean sell? Dear learners, you have to write the answer in a notebook at home, and then you will show the teachers. Dear learners, that's all for today, says Miss Shana Huda. Dear learners, thank you very much. Fixed price, customer is king, and king never bargains. See you next class.